Excuse me for those few moments of silence. Evidently, my mic was muted. Anyway, let me read again that passage, and we'll go through it again. In Psalms 89, verses 13 through 18, it says this: You are a mighty arm, strong is your hand, and high is your right hand. Righteousness and justice are the foundation of your throne. Mercy and truth go before your face. Blessed are the people who know the joyful sound. They walk, O Lord, in the light of your countenance. In your name they rejoice all day long, and in your righteousness they are exalted. For you are the glory of their strength, and in your favor our horn is exalted. For our shield belongs to the Lord, and our King to the Holy One of Israel. All right. Well, like I said, I'm sorry about the muting of the mic. I don't know how that got done this morning, but it does happen from time to time. How about above the noise? As I was saying before, which you probably didn't hear, there's a lot of noise out there today. During this pandemic, we've had noise from our politicians, we've had noise from our government officials here, and we've had noise from people. Everybody's having a different opinion about it. You know, sometimes we need to get above the noise. For example, it says here in your open windows, a mother can distinguish her child's voice out of a group of children on a playground in an instant. Something about the tone and the pitch let her know the cry of her name is her own. Even today, as an adult, I can call my own mom in a public place, and though it may embarrass her a bit, she knows it's me. We hear a great deal of noise in our lives. For at least 5 days a week, we hear work noise. From early morning until we fall into bed, some of us hear children noise. Whether we are savers or spenders, the noise of finances is all around us. Sometimes the worst noise, the noise that deafens, is the noise about your own medical issues and those of others. On the other hand, a lack of noise can be deafening if we are lonely, depressed, or isolated. Though all the noise and crippling silence, one sound resonates above them all: the gospel. The gospel is the most beautiful of sounds. When we hear it, believe it, and live by it, we get to listen to our Father who speaks his love, grace, and mercy to each of us each day. Listen and know that beautiful sound, and the rest of the noise will begin to fade away. We need to be silent and get above the noise. Let God speak to us today. Let him inspire you. Let his word give you direction. Go to him in prayer. As the Bible, seek his face, and ye shall find him. Ask, and it shall be granted. Knock, and it shall be opened. I really believe that we need to take some time and get above the noise. God bless you. Have a great day.